Welcome to Kelo TV, where you learn how to create a website, how to create a game, and how also to create an app and also make money from it. Okay, so today's video I'm going to show you how to create a quiz game, a fruit quiz game. This is the example of the game, the exact what we'll be creating. Okay, so you go to mission and you see, yeah, so this is fruit game where you answer question. All these dots where you write the answer. If it's banana, you see it's going to give the same words of banana. If it is apple, it's going, so it's for you to type. This kind of game is also here, so let's wait. So as you can see, I monetize it with AdMob. So you can see this is advertisement, and that is a rewarded hat. So you can see, go to the next. You answer the question. If you answer it correctly, okay, you continue. If it's wrong, it won't give you access. And what good about this, it also has where you can click to watch ad and the game will answer the question for you and you continue. So this is advertisement, rewarded ads showing. You can see. Okay, so that is how it works. So you can come in here, you can see the example of people who created the same kind of quiz game, fruit quiz game. You can see that is on Google Play. So these people are serious, they paid money and they publish their app here, and that is where you can see example. This particular one was created with QuickAppNinja, because you can see the design of QuickAppNinja, so you can take your time to design your game different from any other person. So you head to QuickAppNinja, register an account. Once you register, you see a page like this, and where you can see create new game. So you go there and you go there. For me, let me edit this particular one. Is also going to show the same thing. So here you can see it has taken me here. So here, this is how to design this game. So simple, not hard. Let me guide you. Okay, so you're going to, because if you just go to the create, you won't see anything here, but this, I took my time to add all this. So I go down where I stopped, and I'm going to show you how you can do the same. You can see you can add add plenty level of the games. Okay, so here you can see the same fruit icon. I have them here. So these are the same thing, so I uploaded them here. So I downloaded them, so you can do the same thing. So here you click upload. Okay, you hold on, it's going to open. So you can see it has opened. So you pick anyone randomly, not serially, but depending on you. You click upload again, you upload another one, you click again on this upload. You need to provide all the images. Okay, you can put two images at the same time. Example, like here you can see is apple and the answer is mango. So randomly, that is what you do. So here you can see is asking of the correct answer. So the correct answer will be, let me copy any of the text here. Okay, so let me say the correct answer will be pineapple. So you can do the same thing. So you can do this game randomly, maybe animal, quiz game, all types of fruits, like animal, whatsoever things that you can. So as you can see, it's added. If I click here, you see the answer will be here, and the next level will open. So you do the same thing. You had many games. This game is going to be originally by you. know any other person who have the same thing, because you're going to take your time and do the needful randomly. So that is how it works. So after I finish from here, you're going to, okay, after you're done from adding all the multiple levels, so you can now come into the sound. If you want to change any sound, this is where you're going to upload your sounds, but for me I just leave it the way it is here. That is where we're going to upload the game icon. So here you can see this is the icon I upload. Here you can see button upload here. Once you click, it would now take you to where you can select the image and you upload, and that is it. So after you're done with the settings, you go to the next one. That is the main settings. This is where you're going to write the name of the game, the name of the app, okay, your email ID. That is the one you register the account with, will show here. So that is how it works. So after here, we go to the important place where we monetize the game. So here you can see it supports AdMob and Facebook, and the third one had colony. So here this is how it works. So now for you to add your code, AdMob code, you go to AdMob by Google, you click on it, it's going to open. So as you can see, this is where you copy your app ID, which I told you about in several videos. So once you head to AdMob, you create an account and you click on add new game. So you copy the same name of the game you had over there, and you put you create, and you will get the app ID. This is where you put, and then this is add unit ID. So you put the banner, all the 1 2 3 4 types of banners. Once you finish, you click on connect. It's going to pop up for you to add your Google account. You connect it with the same Google account which you use for the creation. So once that's done, it's going to initialize all the settings of your game, the AdMob settings. If you finished, you click on create. Okay, after you finish on create, then your game will be done. By that time now, you see it's loading. So let's wait and see. So as you can see, it has built the app. So here you can come here after, because it's actually take like 15 minutes or less than. So after it build the app for you, here you come, you see this download button is clickable because it has already been built. So you click here, it will not take you to the new page where you're going to see your APK file is here. You click on download game in APK format. You can click on it, it's going to generate and download it for you. And here if you click again, it's also going to generate the game description for you automatically. And here too is going to download the media packages like the logo, the all the screenshots will be uploaded. As you can see, the APK file is downloading here. So that is how to create this game. Once is that done, you can head to your platform, maybe the Google Play App Store, or you go to Amazon App Store, because I have teach you how to upload that in Amazon App Store. So once you do that, you see the apps, the Amazon example. If it's Amazon App Store, it's going to approve your app. After approving your app, then you see that uh, AdMob will also approve your app to be displaying art. So that is how it works. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, consider subscribing. Don't forget to share. If you have any question, don't hesitate to drop it down. I'm here always to help you. So thank you so much, and bye for now. Figure now.